Yo, so it's your boy Isaac. I know it's been a cool minute since I made a video, bro. I don't know what it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I know I see the comments, bro. I be replying to y'all. Y'all be texting me on Instagram. I text y'all back. I'm in Vegas right now, so yeah. I just said fuck it. You know what? I been had this done for a cool minute. The velli preset. I also got the gesture preset. So yeah. I got velli preset, the fucking Jesser preset, Adami preset, and like David preset. I'm finna do video on the David and Jesser. Like I'm gonna do a video on that pretty soon. But yeah, so now I'm gonna show y'all the velli shit. If y'all need 21, cause I know y'all stuck on 20. If you need 21, I'll give it to y'all for $5. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Can't say too much on YouTube because y'all know how this shit be. But if you need 21, just DM me on Instagram. Be money ready, bro. I give y'all for $10, bro. Cause yeah. But anyways, this what the fucking velli video, bro. All right, bro. This I've been gatekeeping, but yeah. All right. This what the velli video, the velli. Damn. This what the velli preset sound like.
I guess gon' put me through this pain again. Already made me wait, so why would I wait again? My daddy told me I'm gon' be big, so what do I say to him? Know that I'm gon' be this soon, I just all in my way again. And I know you got your own thing going on, you don't gotta be this way to me. Cause baby, I see, open up my eyes, tell the truth, baby, don't lie. Baby girl, I understand I'll never be that.
So keep in mind, my vocals around this time was low-key terrible, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I made some ass, but I got better. I got some new shit on the way. I got a fucking prod tape coming out, like for my own genre. So yeah, bro, I've been prodding, but this the preset.
Bitch gon' put me through this pain again. Already made me once, so what I wait again? My daddy told me I'm gon' be big, so what do I say to him? Know that I'm gon' be this soon, I just can't wait to win. Found myself under my way again. Obstacles all in my way again. And I know you got your own thing going on, but you don't gotta be this way with me. Cause baby, I see, open on my eyes, say the truth, baby, don't lie. Baby, you'll understand I will never be that other guy. I know you got some mixed emotions, so what you really feeling, baby? I think I'm better for you than he is for you. And if I'm being true, baby, you should see it too. Hate me, you don't gotta hate me. Baby girl, just look me in my face, what you gon' say to me? And I got a trouble in my pocket, it's on safety. Whoa, green light, hit up in that body, make him drop down. You already know I'm gonna be gonna hear that cop sound. Keep a couple killers in my block when I walk around. We should just talk through our problems again. I know I told you we better than this. Can't be the only one tryna fix shit. Cause I don't do to what we distance, girl, I need your assistance. I don't wanna burn a bridge, I don't wanna label shit, but want you to know how it is. You should understand by now, I don't do it by myself. I need your help, but you wasn't there.
Alright, so yeah, it's the velli preset. I'm about to just record some shit real quick so I can show y'all, cause I have an ad-lib preset for this too. Yeah, some dumbass shit. Nah, but yeah, bro. Hold on. Velli libs. Hold on. Velli lib. All right, there we go. This what the libs sound like. Yeah. Y'all listen to Velli, y'all gonna know his libs. But yeah, I'm gonna try to find it. Hold on, let me try and see if I could pull this shit up to show y'all how. But yeah, I showed y'all the accuracy of that. You feel me? I'm about to do this Jesser video right now, cause I just made a what's it called? I just made a Sex and B beat. So yeah, if this shit take too long, bro, I'm just gonna like fuck it. But yeah, I know, bro. I'm gonna start making more videos again, but it's just like I've been recording, making beats. I've been trying to improve on my shit before I really like been back to all that. But you know, yeah, that's all that really it really is type stuff. So nah. And then let me see the ad-libs. Where the ad-libs is? Hold on. I'm trying to find it.
Keep it up, leave me alone. I ain't never did you wrong. House on my phone, money on my phone. Hit it. I don't need it. No, I don't see it. I don't got no fear. Bitch, I'm saying stop.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I can't find it.
In my line, told you I was real with you. I selfish, girl, I get it. You can't.
Yeah, but I can't find the goddamn thing. And this video getting too long for y'all. I'm not trying to have this whole shit, but yeah, y'all listen to Velli. Y'all gonna know it's the same. It's the ad-libs. Accurate. The preset accurate. All this shit accurate. Like I said, bro. I know y'all need 21, bro. If you don't buy a, you feel me? DM me. Might as well just give that shit to y'all for free, bro. Fuck it. I'm tired of y'all like saying y'all need this shit. No, no ego shit, no bullshit. It's just like I'm like FL knew what they was doing when they did the thing, bro. But it's like, feel me? Just I'm gonna start like $5-10, bro. Compare that to like 200, bro. Just go ahead and hit my DMs, bro.